Hello, welcome to Ruby Art Academy, online drawing classes for kids. Today I will teach you how to draw Doremon. At first, keep your mom's bungle. Draw a circle with your mom's bungle. Uh, Draw 5 centimeter slipping line in the circle. Erase this lower portion curve line. Draw same 5 centimeter slipping line. Two lines join with curved line on both sides. Draw two eyes. Take dots in the eye. Draw one more circle. Draw a standing line, just 2 centimeter standing line. From here 4 centimeter slipping line. Draw curved line, looks like half circle. Draw two curved line in the center portions. Go for next step. From here curved line, draw curved line, draw again. Slipping line on both sides, same size slipping line. Draw slanting line on both sides. Take a dot center of this slipping line. Draw a circle from this circle. Draw a standing line on 6 centimeter standing line. Both lines will be standing 6 centimeter. From here to there, join with a curved line. Again curved line. One finger up. Draw a curved line. Upper standing line will be erased. Draw a just 2 centimeter slipping line. Draw curved line, join. Draw a join with a curved line on both sides. Looks like a oval shape. Next I will draw hand like this. Draw slanting line, just 3 centimeter slanting line. Draw again one more slanting line. Draw a circle for making hand. Another hand will be same process apply for the another hand like this. Next draw shoe. Draw curved lines for making shoe. Again draw same curved line for another shoe. Drawing is finished. Use black sketch for outline. Do outline with black sketch pen. Be carefully. Black sketch pen is must for outline. After drawing, this is Doremon cartoon. Doremon is a character of cartoon. Today I will use brass pen for painting. Use erase the pencil mark after black sketch. Erase the pencil mark, be carefully. At first take red color brush pen, apply on these portions red color. Next use red color. Next color will be yellow. Also here will be pink color. Next sky color upper portions. Sky color. Also the lower portions hand will be same color. Body will be same color. Finish the sky color. Next color we take pastel for background coloring. Use pastel color for coloring the background. At first use orange color just up to 2 finger. Don't fully. Orange color will be, do not fully. Next color will be yellow. Around this cartoon fill with yellow color. Fill with yellow color mixed with orange color. Next use black color pastel for making dot in the background. Take many dot in the background, more dot again and again. Just finished. Thank you for so much for watching.